Afghanistan versus Bangladesh T20 and ODI Series 2025. T20 Series Schedule. First T20, date 2 October Thursday, time 8 p.m. Bangladesh local time. Second T20, 4 October Saturday 8 p.m. Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Third T20, 6 October Monday 8 p.m. Dubai International Cricket Stadium. ODI Series Schedule. First ODI 9 October Thursday, time 3 p.m. Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Second ODI 11 October Saturday, time 3 p.m. Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Third ODI 14 October Tuesday 3 p.m. Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Thanks for watching.